Apaan tuh?
Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
Yes!
Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the
안녕.
lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school
no.
one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules.
Uh-oh.
It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh
Apaan tuh?
and play to see
Kuru-kuru.
a lamb at school.
안녕.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited
Apaan tuh?
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Dadah.
Why does the
Apaan
lamb
tuh?
love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The
안녕.
eager children cried. Why Mary loves the
Nice
lamb,
try.
you know.
Hello, guys.
Lamb, you know why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Apaan tuh?
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Hello, guys. 안녕.
Apaan tuh?
꾸르꾸르. Oh my god.
Oh no. Okay. Huh?
Nice try.
Wee.
Apaan tuh? Apaan tuh?
Yummy, yummy.
Hello, guys. Oh my god.
Okay.
Apaan tuh? Abaldo.
Dadah.
Nice try.
Hello, guys.
Yummy, yummy.
안녕.
Abaldo.
Yummy, yummy.
Hello, guys.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Okay.
Abaldo.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It
Nice
followed
try.
her to school
Hello,
one day,
guys.
which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited
Hello, guys.
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried.
Abaldo.
Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Oh my god.
Mary had a
Oh, no.
little lamb, little
Okay.
lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to
Nice
school
try.
one day,